Hello everyone, my name's Jamin. Thanks so much for visiting my channel. In this video, I'm working with a Lenovo IdeaCentre 310S-08IAP. I'm going to show you how to get inside, access your Wi-Fi card. So first thing, power down your computer the correct way. Make sure it's off and unplugged from your power cord. Okay, so I'm going to unscrew this screw here and this screw here to take off this panel. After that, you can grab this panel right here and pull it, and it releases. To get the front panel off, there's these 3 black clips. We're gonna pull out that one, pull out that one, pull out that one. Lift up the computer a little bit, and the front face can come off. As a general computer repair side note, guys, whenever I'm working on a computer in my shop, it's sitting on an anti-static mat. Either that or an anti-static bracelet are great ideas to avoid damaging anything in your computer when you're working on it. If you would like any help with tools or supplies for your project, as well as any replacement or upgrade parts for this specific model computer, there will be a link above, also below in the description, and it will be a list of all those tools and supplies and replacement parts for this computer. To get this component up to access the internal components, we're going to push on this blue tab. There's an arrow on the tab, also an arrow here on the metal. You're going to push that in, and then this pops up like that. And that releases your hard drive and gets you full access to this area. This is your Wi-Fi card right here. It's held in by a single screw right there. Once you release that screw, the Wi-Fi card and this little clear guard can come up. I will have all the Wi-Fi card information below in the description if you need help finding your own replacement, but I will also include one below in that link I told you about with all the replacement parts and upgrades and tools for this computer. If you are replacing your Wi-Fi card after taking the screw up, you have these 2 antenna wires left. Those are just snaps. Those snap directly up and off of your Wi-Fi card. However, to get them back on, they do need to be at a perfect 90-degree angle to snap back on. And you are strong enough to damage them if they're not at the right angle and you try to force it. So just be nice and patient and go slow. It's kind of a pain if you're not used to it, but you can get those back on. I guess the last thing to mention about this kind of an operation, if you are having Wi-Fi issues in your computer, if you cannot access your Wi-Fi options, if you can't see any networks, it's possible your Wi-Fi card is bad and you may need to replace it, but it's also possible it's something else. I will have a video link below in the description showing you how to fix a no Wi-Fi situation where you cannot access your Wi-Fi options. Hopefully you can fix it that way and you don't need a Wi-Fi card replacement. But that's the end of this instructional video. I hope it was helpful. Please like and share if it was, if you think it can help someone else. Feel free to subscribe if you enjoy DIY computer content, or if you want to keep me on hand to answer any future questions. I do answer all questions at least a couple times a day. Remember though, if you do have a question, check out the FAQs in the description first. It could save you some time waiting for an answer. Thank you so much everyone. I look forward to seeing you on my next video.